Hello, guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to RoboThought Zero to Hero series on Linux command using Jetson Nano. Alright, guys, we are on lesson number 3, and I'm going to show you how to create directory in Jetson Nano, okay, on your Linux operating system. So I'm logged into my Jetson Nano, and let me share my screen. Alright, guys, so basically directories can be created on your Jetson Nano operating system using using this command called mkdir. Okay, so let me show you how it is. Mkdir, this is the command. Then you need to give a space, then the name, whatever name you want to keep it. Say, let's say Avengers as your directory name. Okay, now this command will create I'll show you how to create a subdirectory into this particular directory. Okay, the Avengers directory. Now you are creating a directory, right? Okay, now let's say cd stands for change directory. Okay, now let's say ls, that is the list inside this directory, ls. Wow, can you see that? The blue color Avengers right on the top. Can you see it here? So you had just created a directory called Avengers. Now let's say, how do we move that particular directory into a separate another location? That's possible. Yes, you can move that directory into your downloads location, or pictures or videos or musics, or into your documents. It's same like Windows, you have to just drag and drop, but here in Linux you got to issue the terminal, right? So let's see how it works. Say for example, okay, currently we are in a home directory. This is the directory which we created is Avengers. Say mk dir, and then let's say the command to move this particular directory is, you need to give a slash. Say for example, we are moving Avengers, and then you need to give a slash, and then you need to use tmp. Okay, tmp slash, let's say where to move this. Let's say we'll move to music, music. Okay, cannot temp. Okay, all right, there is no temp for that's fine. All right, so anyways, I'll show some more details how it works. So guys, to create a directory, all you need to do is mkdir and then space, and then with the name, right? Any name, say Jetson. All right, now let's say cd and then ls. Can you see there? There's a directory called Jetson. So we already created a directory called Avengers, and now there is a directory called Jetson. So guys, I'm going to show you how to play around with these commands very soon. I'm going to be back in the next lesson. Until then, see you. Bye bye.